Hello, my name is Angela Valera. I will talk about the Shasta 24 to 34. Um, okay. The infections, fever. A medical student has made some language known on a case report, case 45. And 24 years old man present with a fever he had had for 3 days. On the third day, he had a severe attack of fever with swim and reggle. The only past history of relevance was hepatitis. 4 years earlier, glandular fever, infection with stain, but a virus. At the age of 18 years, he had returned from Africa to it with previously, previously fever. Piracia also remember PEO, piracia of uh, now audience, fever, also known as temperature, I gar temperature, adjectives, feverish, fever, and piracia opposites, uh, a fever, a piracia. Some symptoms of fever: sweating, rigor, shivering, and sensation of coldness, also now shows. Microorganism, micro-infections. The infection differ from other diseases in a number of aspects. Most importantly, they are caused by living microorganisms such as viruses or bacteria. They can usually be identified to establish their etiology early in the illness. Many of these organisms, including a bacteria, are sensitive to anti antibiotics, and most infections are potentially curable. Unlike many non-infections, they generate a chronic disease. Communica- Communicability is another factor with different infections for non-infectious disease. Transmission of pathogenic organisms to other people directly or indirectly may lead to outbreak or epidemic. Finally, many infections are prevented by hygiene measures by vaccines, specialized leaf attenuated vaccines such as rubella vaccines or viral prophylaxis. For example, chlorine to prevent malaria. Microorganisms include bacteria, viruses, fungi, pro- protozoes, such as the parasites that cause malaria. Another general word for test pathogens is microbes. Patients often refer to microbes as hands or bugs. Nowadays, the common expression for accurate infection diseases. Cold he have cold cold he have caught some diseases from the dog. Cold he have pick out some diseases from the dog. I think I I had caught the flu bug that going wrong. Such a spread of infections. Here is a extract from a medical textbook. Infection may originate from the patient endogenous, usually from skin, nasopharyngeal or bowel, or from outside source exogenous, often another person who may be either suffering from an infection or querying. A pathogen microorganism cure are usually heard and may be helped with the organisms in the throat. For example, diphtheria, bowel salmonella, or blood hepatitis B or HIV. Non-human salts or infection including water, e.g. cholera, milk, E.H. tuberculosis, food, E.H. Baldwin's, animal, E.H. rabbit, bill, E.H. cytosis, and also the soul, E.H. legionnaires, legionnaires disease. The incubation period is the period between the invasion of the tissues with pathogen and the appearance of clinical feature of infection. The period of infectivity is the time that the patient is infected to other. Infecciones. Fiebre. Un estudiante de medicina ha hecho algunas notas de lenguaje en un informe de caso. Caso 45. Un hombre de 24 años se presentó con fiebre que había tenido durante 3 días. El tercer día había tenido un fuerte ataque de fiebre con sudores y escalofrío. Los únicos antecedentes de relevancia fueron hepatitis 4 años antes y fiebre glandular. Infección por el virus de Epstein-Barr a los 18 años había regresado de África 3 semanas antes. Fiebre piresia. Recuerda también PUO, piresia de origen desconocido. Fiebre también conocida como temperatura, tengo una alta temperatura. Adjetivo, febril, febril y piresial. Opuestos a febril a piresial. Algunos síntomas de la fiebre: transpiración, escalofrío, temblores intensos y sensación de frío, también conocido como escalofríos. Microorganismos. Las infecciones difieren de otras enfermedades en varios aspectos. Lo que es más importante son causadas por microorganismos vivos como virus o bacterias que generalmente pueden identificarse, lo que establece la histología en una etapa temprana de la enfermedad. Muchos de estos organismos, incluidas todas las bacterias, son sensibles a los antibióticos y la mayoría de las infecciones son potencialmente curables, a diferencia de muchas enfermedades degenerativas y crónicas no infecciosas. La transmisibilidad es otro factor que diferencia las infecciones de las no infecciosas enfermedades. La transmisión de organismos patógenos a otra persona, directa o indirecta, puede conducir a un brote o epidemia. Finalmente, muchas infecciones se pueden prevenir con medidas higiénicas, vacunas, especialmente vacunas vivas atenuadas, como la vacuna contra la rubiola o profilaxis farmacológica. Por ejemplo, cloroquina para prevenir la malaria. Los microorganismos incluyen bacterias, virus, hongos, protozoos, como el parásito que causa la malaria. Otra palabra general para estos patógenos microbios, los pacientes a menudo se refieren a los microbios como gérmenes o insectos. Nota las expresiones comunes para adquirir una enfermedad infecciosa. ¿Podría haberlo hecho atrapado alguna enfermedad del perro? ¿Podría haberlo hecho recogido alguna enfermedad del perro? Creo que me he contagiado del gusanillo de la gripe que anda dando vueltas. Origen y propagación de la infección. Aquí hay un extracto de un libro de texto de medicina. La infección puede originarse en el paciente endógena, generalmente de la piel, nasofaringeo, el intestino o de fuentes externas exógenas. A menudo otra persona que puede estar sufriendo una infección o ser portadora de un microorganismo patógeno. Los portadores suelen estar sanos y pueden albergar al organismo en la garganta, por ejemplo, la difteria, em, el intestino salmonela o la sangre hepatitis B o VIH. Las fuentes de infección no humana incluyen el agua, ejemplo cólera, la leche, ejemplo tuberculosis, los alimentos, ejemplo tobulismo, los animales, ejemplo rabia, las aves, ejemplo citacosis y también el suelo, ejemplo legionella, enfermedad de legionario. El periodo de incubación es el periodo entre la invasión de los tejidos por patógenos y la aparición de las características clínicas de la infección. El periodo de infectividad es el tiempo que el paciente es infeccioso para los demás. Match, match the two parts of the sentence. Look at A, B, and C opposite to help you. And Larry H said the UK launch of the leaf attenuate. And the meals mount of rubella MLR vacina. Chickenpox, varicella, and common infectious disease of sheep. Rabia has an incubation a period ranging from 4 days to many months. The patient remained febrile with field temperature of 39.5 degrees Celsius. He have a me with a 4-day history of France type symptom of fever with myalgia and general malaise. With a full portion of patients who recover for hepatitis B become carriers of the virus. The central part of Africa is the main of epidemic of AIDS. The Meles rubiola is most infection during the catarrhal stage. Lyme disease is caused by transmission of the bondify from animal to man parasitic. PO stands for PEO stand for is the okay, yes. Is the big infection? No. PCO of incanal origin, piracia. Complete the case. Repose the patient in an A opposite loop, A, B, and C opposite to help you. Case 45. On examination, he looked in well. His pulse rate from 100 meters. He have a palpable spleen. The combination of fever and rigor is a patient who has recently returned from Africa, strong in soldiers. A diagnosis of malaria is in incubation. Period in usually 10 or 24 days, 14 days. Is the case the patient admits he has not been taken? Prophylaxis. Regular, the diagnosis was confirmed the presence of parasite in his blood film. Complete the sentence. Look at A, B, and C opposite to help you. In infection, we can be 20 cephalic. With antibiotics is curable. Another well for an epidemic is an outbreak. Bacteria and viruses are examples of microorganisms. Someone whose temperature is normal is a febrile. The common infection with Epstein-Barr virus is now a glandular fever. Mental illness. Psychiatric disorders. Psychiatric disorders can be divided into organ functional. Dementia is a mental disorder due organ brain disease. The commonest from dementia is the society. We all age senile dementias. Disorder whether is no obvious pathology or anatomical change is an organ or trauma functional that are described below. Substance abuse. Abuse of substance means using in a way that is helpful. The common from sentences of abuse are alcoholism and drug abuse. Affective disorders. Here is drawn from a medical textbook. Affect and mood are similar meaning of refer to emotions, for example, happiness or sadness. Affect tends to be used for temporary emotion. It's spread through manner of speaking, facial expression, or behavior. Mood is used to refer to a more permanent emotional state. The most common form of affective disorder is depression. The symptoms of we are full appetite, or significant weight loss. Sleep disorder, for example, insomnia, inability to sleep, fatigue, loss of energy, psychomotor, agitation, excessive movement are true or psychomotor retardation, slowing of movement and true. Law of interest is a stimulating activity, discrete ability to think and concept. Feeling that one is no value to other or that one has done something wrong. Recurring truth of death or suicide. Five possible falls of the above symptoms occurring nearly every day for at least 2 weeks. Consider a major depression, neurotic and sleep-related disorder. An example, neurotic disorder is obsessive compulsive disorder, and obsession is an idiot that is forcing the lie in the first with the patient life. A compulsion is an obsessive idiot that forces the patient to act even though they recognize that is unnecessary. A common form of the is compulsive washing of the hands. A thrill is feeling of being unable to cook. It can lead to anxiety or follow problem. Assuming a drug or anxiety is color upon a track. Other type of functional disorder. This include behaviorally. syndromes associated with physiological disorders. Some are eating disorders or adult behavioral, for example, personality disorder, mental retardation, delayed mental development, schizophrenia, and other disorders in which there are delusion, false belief. Enfermedad mental. Desórdenes psiquiátricos. Los trastornos psiquiátricos se pueden dividir en orgánicos y funcionales. La demencia es un trastorno mental debido a una enfermedad cerebral orgánica. La más común es demencia. Es la asociada con la vejez, la demencia senil. Los trastornos en los que no existe una patología evidente o un cambio anatómico en un órgano se denomina funcional. Estos se describen a continuación. Abuso de sustancia. El abuso de una sustancia significa usarla de una manera dañina. Las formas más comunes de abuso de sustancia son el alcoholismo y el abuso de drogas. Trastornos afectivos. Aquí hay un extracto de un libro de texto de medicina. El afecto y el estado de ánimo tienen un significado similar y se refieren a las emociones. Por ejemplo, felicidad o tristeza. El afecto tiende a usarse para emociones temporales y se expresa a través de la forma de hablar, la expresión facial o el comportamiento. El estado de ánimo se utilizan para referirse a un estado emocional más permanente. La forma más común del trastorno afectivo es la depresión, cuyos síntomas son falta de apetito, pérdida de peso, alteración del sueño, por ejemplo, insomnio, incapacidad para dormir, fatiga y pérdida de energía. Agitación psicomotora excesiva, movimiento y pensamiento, retraso psicomotor. Ralentización del movimiento y del pensamiento. Pérdida de interés en actividades estimulantes, disminución de la capacidad para pensar y concentrarse. Sentir que uno no vale nada para los demás o que hay algo malo. Pensamientos recurrentes de muerte o suicidio. 5, posiblemente 4 de los síntomas anteriores que ocurren casi todos los días durante al menos 2 semanas constituyen una depresión mayor. Trastornos neuróticos y relacionados con el estrés. Un ejemplo de trastorno neurótico es el trastorno obsesivo compulsivo. Una obsesión es una idea tan persistente que interfiere en la vida del paciente. Una compulsión es una idea obsesiva que obliga al paciente a actuar aunque reconoce que es innecesario. Una forma común de esto es el lavado compulsivo de las manos. El estrés es una sensación de no poder hacerle frente. Puede provocar ansiedad o miedo a los problemas. Un ataque repentino de ansiedad se llama ataque de pánico. Otros tipos de trastornos funcionales, estos incluyen síndromes conductuales asociados con alteraciones fisiológicas, como los trastornos alimentarios, trastorno de la personalidad y el comportamiento de los adultos, por ejemplo, trastorno de la personalidad, retraso mental, retraso en el desarrollo mental, esquizofrenia y trastorno en lo que hay delirios y falsas creencias. Exercise. Complete the table with work from A, C, D, and A, it opposite. No adjective. Affective. Anxiety, anxious. Behavior, behavioral. Dementia, dement. Disturbance, disturbance. Suicide, suicidal. May word combination using a word from each book. The word can be used twice. Look at B, C, and E opposite to behavioral syndrome, eating disorder, major depression, mental retardation, personality disorder, psychomotor retardation, sleep disturbances y substance abuse. Abuse. Complete the sentence and look at A, C, D, and E opposite to help you. The way a person behaves is his other behavior. A person emotional state is more. and sudden attack or anxiety is a panic attack. The fourth dimension associated with again is called sensory dimension. Semantic, yes. The disorder is now associated with pathological change functional. An idiot will force a patient to repeat incisors. Action is compulsion. With symptoms of depression while the patient suffering from look and see opposite to help you. Case 41. A 56-year-old woman presented to GP complaining of increasing tiredness over the past few months. She has no interest. I must think she was sleeping poorly and tends to wake up early. But then and suicidal tendencies. She was thirsty about passing urine. More often, she was eating normally and her weight was stable. The patient has three of the listening system: tiredness, loss of interest, sleeping poorly. The nervous system 1. Sensory loss. The central nervous system controls the sensory and motor functions of the body. Diseases of the system therefore lead to loss or some of this function. Function loss other symptoms. Hearing, deafness, buzzing or ringing in the ear, tinnitus. Sight, blindness, double vision, diplopia. During loss of visual acute, clarity of vision. Sensation, feeling, known as anesthesia. Anesthesia. Tingling or pain and needle paresthesia. Balance on the tiny attached. Dizziness, vertigo. Nose. There are no will fall off or condition willing to take a small motor loss. Motor loss symptoms and some include weakness, loss of power, paralysis, complete loss of power, tremor, involuntary rhythmic movement, especially of the hand, abnormal gait, usual manner of walking, speech may also be affected. For example, weaknesses are ruddy voice in vocal paralysis, slurred speech, made for articulation, as in cerebral diseases, loss of consciousness. Patient may be decreasing in low consciousness in a number of ways. I pace out. I had a blackout. I fainted. I have a fit. I had a seizure. I had a convulsion. Convulsion. Fit. Seizure and convulsion are usually to refer to violent involuntary movement in a spillage. Doctor may say, when did you lose consciousness? Here is part from a textbook of the cause of loss of consciousness. The principal difference diagnosis between a spillage fit and syncope attack of feigning syncope is a sudden loss of consciousness to temporary failure of the cerebral circulation. Syncope is distinguished from a zero principle with the singleness I with the omen or call for example. Syncope usually occur with a standing on the situation of severe stress and association with an arrhythmia, sometimes a convulsion and urinary incontinence, loss of control of the bladder. Occurring a syncopal attack, tornado of tests, is possible for a pylori attack. The key is to establish the presence or absence of prodromal symptoms or symptoms that occur immediately before the attack. Syncopal episodes are usually present with symptoms of dizziness and lightheadedness. In episodic, people may get a warning now an hour that attack is going to happen. The noun convulsion is often used in plural form. He had convulsion as a child. El sistema nervioso. Pérdida sensorial. El sistema nervioso central controla las funciones sensoriales y motoras del cuerpo. Por lo tanto, las enfermedades de este sistema conducen a la pérdida de alguna de estas funciones. Función. Pérdida de otro síndrome. Audiencia, sordera, zumbido en el oído, tinnitus. Visión, ceguera, visión doble, diplopia, borrosidad, pérdida de agudeza visual y claridad de la visión. Sensación, sentimiento, entumecimiento, anestesia, hormigueo u hormigueo parestesia, balance, inestabilidad, ataxia, mareo, vértigo. Nota, no hay palabras más comunes para la pérdida o las condiciones relacionadas con el gusto y el olfato. Pérdida de motor. Los síntomas y signos de pérdida motor incluyen debilidad, pérdida de poder, parálisis, pérdida completa de poder, temblor, movimiento rítmico involuntario, especialmente de las manos, marcha anormal, manera inusual de caminar. El habla también puede verse afectada, por ejemplo, con ronquero, una voz áspera y profunda, como en la parálisis de las cuerdas vocales. La dificultad para hablar significa mala articulación, como en la enfermedad del cerebelo. Pérdida de conciencia. Los pacientes pueden describir la pérdida repentina del conocimiento de varias formas. Yo desmayado, yo tuve un apagón, yo desmayado. Tuve una convulsión, convulsioné. Los ataques y convulsiones se utilizan para referirse al movimiento involuntario violento en la epilepsia. Los médicos pueden decir, ¿cuándo perdiste el conocimiento? Aquí hay un paisaje de un libro de texto sobre las causas de la pérdida de la conciencia. El principal diagnóstico diferencial es entre un ataque epiléptico y un ataque síncopal o desmayo. El síncope es una pérdida repentina de la conciencia debido a una falla temporal de la circulación cerebral. El síncope se distingue de una convulsión principalmente por las circunstancias en las que ocurre el evento. Por ejemplo, el síncope suele ocurrir de pie en situaciones de estrés intenso o asociada con una arritmia. A veces, una convulsión en continencia urinaria, pérdida de control de la. Ocurre incluso en un ataque, síncope, por lo tanto, ninguno de estos es específico para un ataque epiléptico. La clave es establecer la presencia o ausencia de síntomas prodrómicos o síntomas que ocurren inmediatamente antes del ataque. Los episodios sincopales suelen estar precedidos por síndrome de mareo y aturdimiento en la epilepsia. Las personas pueden recibir una advertencia conocida como aura de que va a ocurrir un ataque. Nota, el sustantivo convulsión a menudo se usa en forma plural. Tuvo convulsiones cuando era niño. Exercise. Complete the word from A, B, and C opposite. Adjective. blind, no, blindness, consciousness, deafness, diseaseness, knownness, lie, liars, lightheaded, lightheadedness, unsteady, unsteadiness. My word combination using a word from A, both look at A, B, and C opposite to help you. Double vision, ability, fit. Furthermore, symptom, syncope, attack, urinary incontinence, visual accurate. A doctor is training to determine the cause of loss of consciousness in a 52 years old man. Complete the doctor question. Look at the opposite and the table in 2026.1. About to help you. Did, did you lose consciousness suddenly or gradually? Did you get warning of the attack? What will you do before you pass out? Were you worried under any stress at the time? Did you feel disease of lightheaded before the attack? Did you lose control of your blood? Did you wife naughty and involuntary movement while you were unconscious? The nervous system too. The moral system. Examination of the moral system should include assessment of the following. Muscle bone. Among the muscle tissue, look for signs of worry, muscular atrophy. Muscle tone. Amount of tension is a muscle when it's relaxed. Then can be increased spasticity of discrete fractures. Muscular power. Muscle power strength. Coordination, the ability to use several muscles at the same time to perform complete action. Get. The more awake, reflect, CV value. Involuntary movement, for example, the old tremor. Here is a straw for a case report about a patient with a tremor. Case 80. Our examination, his face showed a little of expression. There was a tremor affecting mailing her weak hand. She had generally increased muscle tone, power reflex, coordination and sensation were within normal limits. Examination of her gait showed that she was slow to stop walking and had difficulty stopping and turning. Tendon reflex. Examination of the nervous system normally include testing the tendon reflex. For example, the ninjas wear a tendon helmet, also kinema reflex helmet. The reflex may be as diminished normal, or we the planar reflex. Also check the normal. Plan response is a ongoing movement blood reflection. On the beat took out open to a stance of basking response in a normal. Testing the New York with a 10 of helmet. Coma. Coma is in consonance with a reduced response to external stimuli. Doctor said the patient is in a coma. The patient is comatose. The Glasgow Coma Score GCS score is calculated as follows. Area opening, spontaneous to space to pain number. Verbal response. Audience confused, inappropriate, incomprehensible. No. Moral response. Owe 6. Localize 5. Withers 4. Flashing 3. Station 2. Now 1. El sistema nervioso 2. El sistema motor. El examen del sistema motor debe incluir la evaluación de lo siguiente: masa muscular, cantidad de tejido muscular, busque signos vitales de desgaste, de atrofia muscular, tono muscular, cantidad de tensión en un músculo. Cuando está reflejado, el tono puede aumentar espaticidad o disminuir flacidez, potencia muscular, fuerza, coordinación, la capacidad de usar varios músculos al mismo tiempo para realizar tareas complejas o comportamientos. Marcha, manera de caminar, reflejo, ver, ve abajo. Movimiento involuntario, por ejemplo, un tic o un temblor. Aquí hay un extracto de un informe de caso sobre un paciente con temblor. Caso 80. En el examen, su rostro mostró poca o ninguna expresión. Hubo un temblor que afectó principalmente a su mano derecha. En general, había aumentado el tono muscular. El poder, los reflejos, la coordinación y la sensación estaban dentro de los límites normales. El examen de su forma de andar mostró que era lenta para comenzar a caminar y tenía dificultad para detenerse y girar. Reflejos tendinosos. El examen del sistema nervioso normalmente incluye probar los reflejos de los tendones. Por ejemplo, los reflejos de la rodilla con un martillo de tendones, también conocido como martillo de reflejo. Los reflejos pueden estar ausentes, disminuidos, normales más energéticos. También se controlan los reflejos plantares, la respuesta plantar normal en un movimiento hacia abajo, flexión plantar del dedo, gordo del pie, un dedo del pie hacia arriba, extensor o respuesta de Babinski, es anormal. Prueba de reflejos rutulianos con un martillo de tendón. Coma. El coma es la pérdida del conocimiento con una respuesta reducida a los estímulos externos. Los doctores dicen, el paciente está en coma, el paciente está comatoso. La puntuación de la escala de coma de Glasgow, GCS, se calcula, yes, se calcula de la siguiente manera. ¿Sí? Apertura de ojos, espontáneo 4, dan un discurso 3, al dolor 2, ninguna 1. Respuesta verbal, orientado 5, confundido 4, inadecuado 3, incomprensible 2, ninguno 1. Respuesta motor, obedece 6, localiza 5, retiros 4, flexión 3, tensión 2, 1, ninguna. Exercise. Complete the table with words from A and B opposite. Now, accents, adjective, accent, diminution, diminish, flaccid, flaccid, experience, expire, wisdom, wisdom. A doctor is giving instruction to a patient during examination of the motor system. Identify what the doctor is assessing in each case. Look at A opposite to help you. I would like you to realize I'm going to move you up and down, muscle down. Can I see you have muscle about a possibly involuntary movement? Now, I'm going to scream you are out, 3 to stomach power. Can you do my finger with you and to your nose? Good. Now then again with your age class coordination. Complete the sentence. Look at A, B, and C opposite at the table in 27.1 about the helio. A flaccid handle linked to form a right angle with the which reflex that are stronger than normal. Muscle. Wasting when the muscle is reduced in bulk. A tit is a form of involuntary movement. A K is often used to test Baksky's response. His coordination was poor. He could not perform rapid alternating movement. A helmet is used to test reflex. When something is diminished, it is less than normal. A patient improved to AIE in common. Come. We have names spoken. She opened her eyes, but she does not answer questions or over instruction. What is her GCS score? I opening to a space 3, verbal response known as 1, motor response known as 1. Oncology. Neoplasm. A neoplasm is a normal network of tissue. Malignant neoplasm cancer are likely to spread and cause serious illness or death. Benign neoplasms do not experience or less harmful. When speaking to patients, doctors generally say tumor. You have a small group in the bowel, you have a small tumor in the bowel. A lung swelling is a collection of tissue or fly which is visible or palpable, can be palpable, or feel the finger. Alone may be due to neoplasm, but there are other causes, such as inflammation or fluid accumulation. Patients say, I have lung in my left breast. Doctors say, there were a few palpable mass in the liver. Malignant tumors are characterized with rapid growth and vascinosis. The tumor may invade the local tissues or may spread to the distant part of the body metastasis. Neoplasm, we are the result of metastasis, a color secondary opposite to the original tumor with the primer. We have the result of the scan with, but now I'm afraid they show that you have a small group in the prostate. Fortunately, it's expected to be at the early stage and there is no seen on spread. So, if we remove it, there is very chance of a complete cure. No, to invade bell is to an spread from how. A part of the body at this process is invasional. It's a tumor in the spleen and invasive. It has the ability to spread. Symptoms and signs of malignancy. The symptoms of malignancy disease may be related to the size and localization of the tumor. For example, a sphere-occupant lesion in the brain causes recent intracranial pressure and symptoms such as headache, vomiting, or visual disturbance. Tumor of the colon may also block. The lung cause change is variable. Other possible symptoms of malignancy include bleeding, pain, and weight loss. Case 55. A 33 years old man present to his GP complaint of a painless lung. On the right side of his neck, we have been present for about 2 months a wall allergy. He has been feeling general in weight. I have lost about 5 kilos in weight. He was also complaining of night sweat. He had no significant past medical history. Dreaming of tumor. A tumor can sometimes be completely removed or excised by surgery. It is not possible, for example, if it had already metastasis to other parts of the body. It may be possible to destroy the radiotherapy of the chemotherapy. See Unit 42. When a call is not possible, palliative treatment is given which is only intended to relieve symptoms. Oncología. Neoplasia. Una neoplasia es un nuevo crecimiento anormal de tejido. Es probable que la neoplasia maligna, cánceres se propaguen y causen enfermedades graves o la muerte. La neoplasia benigna no se propagan y son menos dañinas. Cuando hablan con los pacientes, los médicos generalmente dicen crecimiento o tumor. Crecimiento o tumor. Tienen un pequeño tumor de crecimiento en el intestino. Un bulto de hinchazón es una acumulación de tejido líquido que es visible o palpable. Se puede palpar o palpar con los dedos. Un bulto puede deberse a una neoplasia, pero existen otras causas como la inflamación o acumulación del líquido. Los pacientes dicen, tengo un bulto en mi seno izquierdo. Los doctores dicen, había una masa firme y palpable en el hígado. Los tumores malignos se caracterizan por su rápido crecimiento e invasividad. El tumor puede invadir tejidos locales o diseminarse a partes distantes del cuerpo metastasis. Las neoplasias, que son el resultado de metastasis, se denominan secundaria a diferencia del tumor original que el primario. Ya tenemos los resultados de la exploración y me temo que muestra que tienen un pequeño crecimiento en la próstata. Afortunadamente parece estar en una etapa temprana y no hay signos de propagación. Entonces, si lo eliminamos, hay muchas posibilidades de una cura completa. Nota. Invadir, verbo, es entrar y entender y extenderse por una parte del cuerpo y este proceso es invasión sustantiva. Si un tumor se describe como invasivo, tiene la capacidad de propagarse. Síntomas y signos de malignidad. Los síntomas de la enfermedad maligna pueden estar relacionados con el tamaño y la ubicación del tumor. Por ejemplo, una lesión que ocupa espacio en el cerebro provoca un aumento de la presión intracraneal y síntomas como dolor de cabeza, vómitos o trastornos visuales. Los tumores del colon pueden obstruir, bloquear la luz y causar cambios en el hábito intestinal. Otros posibles síntomas de malignidad incluyen sangrado, dolor y pérdida de peso. Un hombre de 33 años se presentó a su médico de cabecera quejándose de un bulto doloroso en el lado derecho de su cuello, que había estado presente durante aproximadamente 2 meses y estaba aumentando de tamaño. Se había sentido mal en general y había perdido unos 5 kilos de peso. También se quejaba de sudores nocturnos, no tenía antecedentes patológicos significativos. Tratamientos de tumores. A veces un tumor puede extirparse, por ejemplo, o extirparse mediante cirugía. Si esto no es posible, por ejemplo, si ya ha hecho metástasis a otra parte del cuerpo, puede ser posible destruirlo mediante radioterapia o quimioterapia. Ver la unidad 42. Cuando la cura no es posible, es un tratamiento paliativo que solo pretende aliviar los síntomas. Exercise. Complete the table with both from A, B, and C opposite and relate form. Bell non-adjectives. Cool, curate. Exist, existence. Group, growing. Invasion, invasiveness. Invasive. Obstruction, obstruct. Palliative, palliative. Palpate, palpation, palpable. Spreading. Swelling, swollen. The nose, below about the patient, the screen be opposite. Using them to put the sentence 1-9 in the corner of the two made the next paragraph of the CAS report. Use appendix 2 on page 20. You need help with the abbreviation. Or 37 point Celsius. Small feet, 3.4. Yes, older. 6. On examination, his temperature was 37.8 Celsius. There was a small field trip for several months in the right supraclavicular fossa. There were largely noted in both select and angle area. His mouth and throat were normal. His pulse rate was 100 min, regular blood pressure 112 cc. His cardiovascular respiratory system was normal. On abdominal examination, there was a main palpable twin seams below the left costal major. 1. Examination of the central nervous system was normal. Complete the sentence, look A, B, and C opposite to help you. Distance spread of tumor cells now metastasis. Many symptoms of cancer, such as difficult swallowing, and due to oxygen, the opposite of painful is painless. A malignant neoplasm colorectal cancer, tumor, without involvement of metastatic adenoma. Secondary tumor are two will vessel from the spring of primary. If a call is not possible, palliative treatment should be given. A palpable liver surgeon metastasis. Pregnancy and childbirth. Childbirth. The sperm day of delivery, EDD, is the day of which a woman is expected to give birth to the child she is currently pregnant with. It is calculated via another 2,018 day of 40 weeks to the 5th day of the last menstrual period. LMB. Childbirth is all referred to be adopted partner and delivery is the process of helping the child to be done as spontaneous vaginal delivery. SBD is a normal delivery. Is there a completion of the baby may be delivered with cesarean sections, surgical removal. A full-term pregnancy is 40 weeks, divided into 3 trimesters. A baby who is born before this premature and 1 month after 40 weeks is pulmonary. A baby who is born dead, for example, because the umbilical cord is around its neck, is stable. A pregnancy may end before them spontaneously with a micro spontaneous abortion or be delivered terminal with induced abortion. Terminal pregnancy. Now, the body induced may to cause something to happen. Labor. The process with which the fetus, a placenta, or push or uterus is called labor. It is divided into 4 stages. From what without commonly reliable are primal pollen and spontaneous induced forced labor. Presentation and light. Fetal light is the position of the fetus is the uterus. The normal light is longitudinal, longitudinal, and the abnormal light is trumbull fetal presentation referred to the part of the field we occupy Occupy the center of the pelvic canal and with the examining finger. Fields of vaginal examination body wall. The normal presentation is with the head. Better presentation, bridge. Presentation means the boot. Presenting bridge is an old wall from boot. A normal presentation may require delivery with forceps. Embarazo y parto. Parto. La fecha esperada de parto, por sus siglas en inglés, es la fecha en la que se espera que una mujer dé a luz al niño que está esperando embarazada. Se calcula sumando 280 días o 40 semanas al primer día del periodo menstrual FUM. Los médicos también se refieren al parto como parto. El parto es el proceso de ayudar al niño a nacer. Un parto vaginal espontáneo, CBD, es un parto normal y si hay complicaciones, el bebé puede nacer por cesárea, estipado quirúrgicamente. Un embarazo a término de 40 semanas dividido en 3 trimestres. Un bebé que nace antes de esto es prematuro y uno que nace después de las 40 semanas es postmaduro. Un bebé que nace muerto, por ejemplo, porque tiene el cordón umbilical alrededor del cuello, nace muerto. Un embarazo puede terminar antes de término espontáneo con un aborto espontáneo. Aborto espontáneo es ser terminado deliberadamente con un aborto inducido. Terminación del embarazo. Nota. El verbo inducir significa hacer que algo suceda. Mano de obra. El proceso por el cual el feto y la placenta son expulsados del útero se llama trabajo de parto. Se divide en 4 etapas. Algunas palabras que se combinan con trabajo son prematuro, prolongado, espontáneo, falso, inducido, mano de obra. Presentación y mentira. La mentira fetal es la posición del feto en el útero. Las mentiras normales longitudinal y la mentira normal es transversal. La presentación fetal se refiere a la parte del feto que ocupa el centro del canal pélvico y que el dedo examinador toca en el examen vaginal. Budewell. La presentación normal es con la cabeza, presentación de vértice. La presentación de nalga significa que se presentan las nalgas. Nalga es una palabra antigua para la nalga. Las presentaciones anormales pueden requerir parto con forceps. Perdón, sorry. Complete the sentences. Look at A, B, and C opposite to tell you. A baby doesn't born a week before the EDD is premature. A termination of pregnancy may be necessary for medical reasons. The first 3 months of pregnancy are known as the field trimester. Fetal distress is the field stay allowed. It's an indication for cesarean seizure. It was a read presentation and delivery was before a miscarriage is another term for spontaneous abortions. The core was one thing around the baby need and it was unfortunately stillborn. Complete the table with words from A opposite. Well, about non-abortions, delivery, induced induction, miscarry, present presentation, termination. Dr. When I see SSO is presenting a patient a weekly meeting in the obstetric unit of a hospital. Complete the presentation with the core font of Bell 29.2 above. This is Clara Davy. She came to the antenatal clinic at 9 weeks. It's about obstetric history. She has a brother when she was 18 we was terminated and another one a year later. We spontaneously about signs that she has had 3 is the feed the baby while delivery normal at 40 weeks. In the second, she had an induction labeled at 39 weeks because of fetal distress. The third baby present agreed and was delivered by cesarean sections.